Download the code from codigive.com. Link in description. To calculate square roots and cube roots in JavaScript, you can utilize built-in mathematical functions. For square roots, the math.sqrt function is specifically designed for this purpose. It takes a number as an argument and returns its square root. For cube roots, the math.sqrt function can be employed, which operates similarly by accepting a number and returning its cube root. Both functions handle positive and negative numbers appropriately, with the square root of a negative number resulting in not a number, while the cube root can return a real number. Additionally, you can create custom functions for more complex calculations or to enhance functionality. This flexibility allows developers to integrate these root calculations seamlessly into larger applications or algorithms. Overall, JavaScript's built-in math functions provide a straightforward and efficient way to perform these calculations.